See, Gumby is your friend, and so is, get out of here, and so is Peter Tuchman from the floor. So, Peter, what's the news? I'm going to say Apple, stealing a little headline over here.
You know what? Apple surely is. So I think the number is 203.35 is the number where it actually reaches $1 trillion valuation. That's quite something. They beat on everything. They beat on earnings, revs, and everything. Stock's up $9. It's quite significant. That doesn't run what happens here on the floor because we actually don't trade Apple. I think what's interesting to know is that, even with all the potential for anxiety around markets and around geopolitical, geoeconomic stuff, at the end of the day, this market is strong. Right, we've seen a couple days. We had the FANG index, and we had a lot of the tech stocks get eviscerated over the last 5 or 6 days, and then it started to turn around yesterday. But at the end of the day, for us here today, market holds at 25.4. What was a ceiling with the S&P and the Dow of 25,000, 2,800 is now a floor. Right, we're building that as a solid base. Earnings have been pretty solid across the board. A couple of mishits here and there, but I think that a rebound in tech is going to take the market higher. It feels like good earnings season. Interest rates still at a reasonable level, in my opinion. A super transparent Fed. Unemployment numbers coming out on Friday. This market seems strong. The S&P's up. We've seen a bit of a dislocation in the S&P and the Nasdaq and the Russell over the last few days due to the sell-off in tech. But at the end of the day, market seems strong.
An apple a day keeps the doctor and the bears away. Now, what about oil?
So oil is curious. You know what? We're seeing some kind of money coming out. You know what? Oil's been on that in sort of a wild tear from 65 to 75, back down. News, it's trading technically. I think at this point, I think now it's going to be 67.5, 72. They're getting to a level that just makes sense in the market. I think that's it.
All right. Well, Peter, thanks.
I'm going with that story.
Okay, we're gonna all go with that. Peter, thanks.
And the yellow man.
Are you you're his little donkey?
Oh.
I'm kidding, Peter. You're not an ass. We love you. All right. Thank you so much.